Yo guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, I will explain about the liquidity concepts in the forex markets, and I will also explain you the how the smart money people are getting trapped into the market and how to get aware of the traps and play safe in the markets and not getting trapped by the market makers. So let's move into the video. First thing, the smart money people will think the structure will go like this: higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So this is the basic version of the structure, like what smart money people will look, right? They will think it is a break of the structure, break of the structure, break of the structure, break of the structure, and they will play the order blocks: sell to buy, sell to buy, sell to buy. But if you see in the market, the original market does not move like this. This is the fake. This is completely fake. What people are pretending the movement of the market is completely fake. If you see in the original market structure, the market does not move like this. The market, however, moves like this: liquidity taken out, liquidity taken out, liquidity taken out, liquidity taken out. If you have somewhat experience in the market moves like this. There is no break of the structure or nothing in the market. It's completely scam. They're completely scamming you. If the market is moving like this fucking clean, everybody would have been billionaires by now. Profitability. But the market something moves like this because if you know the liquidity is the fuel brother, future price. If liquidity is not there, then there is no movement. Liquidity is the point where the price get funds. So once the liquidity is taken, all the smart money and retail people get trapped here. Then we will enter the markets. Then according to my strategy, me and my students enter the market. We have a separate defined checklist where we enter the market. If you wanna join my July mentorship, upcoming July mentorship, you can reserve a spot by clicking on the link in the description. Then when coming into the video, let's start. As I said you, there is nothing in the market structure, right? There is no higher high, higher low, and no higher low, lower low. So when coming into the video, I will give you a small stuff about the liquidity. These are the liquidities. These are the session breaks I use, and these are the liquidities I use. So every high and low in the market is a liquidity. Every high and low in the market is a liquidity. If you see, after the low is taken out, there will be a liquidity push. There will be a reversal. Every time when the liquidity is taken out, there will be a push. After this previous day low is taken out, there is a huge push. Again, after the previous day high is taken out, this is the high for the day. After the previous day high is taken out, this is the push. These pushes are very predictable when you use my strategy because we enter where the smart money people get trapped. Simple strategy, same thing. Asian liquidity is taken out. This is the push. I can't teach the entry pattern here because I leave it for my students, for my bootcamp students. If you want to learn this pattern, you can join the bootcamp this summer, July. Link in the description. You can click it. Same thing, bro. High is taken out. Why will be the cells here? Because we know this is where the people are getting trapped. That's why we enter cells here. And again, here, previously low is taken out. We will go on this buys too. Small buys, then sells scalping the market. Same thing happens over and over again in the market. High is taken out. Can you see the how much aggressive push here? If you catch this sell at the top, you can hold it throughout the week. So these types of setups we will get when we trade the liquidity markets. Liquidity is the main thing. Same thing. After the previous day high is taken out, if you see, there is a huge reversal. So according to the stuff I showed you till now, you have observed that market is not moving like this. The market is but moving like this. If you observe here, when the liquidity is taken out, there is a high probability, very high probability there that the move is going to happen. If the liquidity is not taken out, so it means there is a more retail people and smart money people participation is there than the smart banks, etc. So when we can understand there is a participation of the banks when the stock funds happen, then we can know that banks are in the move. So we can follow the banks because we just enter here the tip because we know when the price is going to reverse because of the stuff I teach in the mentorship. Exactly, we will enter here and there will be sells again, buys, sells, buys, sells. So these are the trades we took on the regular basis, the daily basis. This stuff is repeatable over and over and over again. Same thing. If you see here, this is previously high. What I thought you about the strategy. Can you see the reversal here? Again, you can be in the buys too. Previous internal liquidity is taken. Can be buys too. One more thing, guys. I can't teach you the entry pattern here because many people are asking. It's for the mentorship students. I only teach the entry pattern for the mentorship students. If you wanna learn the stuff, you can join the July bootcamp. Same thing. Liquidity is taken out. Well, when the buys. So this is the scaling. Again, fractal is taken out. Another scaling by here. See the huge aggression. If the liquidity is taken out, there will be huge in the markets. Same thing over and over and over and again, guys. Liquidity is taken out. Huge move. Will be in the tip here. Points. Targeting the liquidity like this. This is how we trade the market from the liquidity standpoint to the liquidity standpoint. Same thing. Liquidity is taken out. Huge push. Same thing. Tip. If you see this on the tip here, this is the power of my strategy. If you backtest go to your charts after watching this video, you can know how much powerful this stuff is. After the liquidity is taken out, the real move is going to happen in the markets. This happens over and over and over and again. This is how we are able to catch these type of sniper entries. See, I don't have to look back to backtest these entries. It happens over. Tip, exactly tip and then reverse. Yeah, yo guys, if you want to join the July bootcamp, you can just join to the link in the description. Peace, guys. Hope you understood the video. You can watch it again and again and ask me doubts in the comment section. Peace.